Well, it's another exciting day in paradise, and boy, oh boy, is it a great day to be alive, especially when you consider the alternative. It is a nice, juicy Tuesday, so that if you got a case of the Mondays, they should hopefully be gone by now. I know it's been about a little over 2 weeks. I know I was going to make a video every 2 weeks to a week and everything, but Thanksgiving happens. So hopefully everybody had a great Thanksgiving. You're able to celebrate with your family safe and sound, and no craziness happened. I know I had a really good Thanksgiving as well. But I wanted to make another video just chronicalizing my journey into with life insurance and investing and things like that. And I'll make a another motivational video probably tomorrow or maybe today, who knows, whenever I could. I basically like to think about a topic to talk about for that. So my progress so far has been really eventful. I originally came into the business with a mentality, I don't know that many people. Apparently I know a lot more people than I thought. And I've been able to help a buddy who I work with get a proper life insurance plan. So like I already mentioned in previous videos, was my first client. I used to have 2 team members. Now I have 5 team members that I've gotten as part of my team. All 3 of them were veterans, because we had a special for November that took away the licensing cost of $99. But if you see opportunity, grab it, is the way I see it. And this opportunity with this business and everything seemed too good to be true, but it also seemed too good not to try, is a saying that our RVP actually says a lot, Regional Vice President. And it's actually, it's a good saying and to live by, and it's exactly why I got into this business. As you already know, I passed the license, the life insurance license exam the Thursday before last. And I actually have a family member who's actually going to be going through and changing her investments over to us of almost $500,000. And because they were being mismanaged, because her investment profile was being mismanaged, and she saw so much value in what we provide and our ability to create profit, and the interest rates and everything with mutual funds and stuff like that is phenomenal. So she's going to switch over, and she even talked to her ex-husband about it, and he might switch over as well. So it's like almost like $1 million worth of investments. And that's the great thing about this business, is you're helping people you care about, family members and friends, get on track for their financial future, for a good, positive financial future. And a lot of times people don't realize the things that we talk about in the Zoom meetings that we do. People neglect it. You have a specialist that helps you when you need to get your car repaired. You have a specialist when you need to get dental work. You have a health specialist when you have to go to the hospital. All these specialists, but it's crazy how many people don't have a specialist handling their financial account or handling their financial future in the event of untimely death. It's wild. And the amount you end up paying for like life insurance, for example, and investments and stuff, starting an account and stuff, are literally the same amount of money you spend on cable, internet, video game subscriptions, things like that. So it's like, if you could spend money on something that really doesn't benefit you in any way other than entertainment, why not spend a little bit of money on something that's going to set you up for a successful future and take care of your family in the event that something bad does happen? And that's a great philosophy to go by. The more people I help, the more it ends up helping me, which is great. And building a business, that part of this business is also exciting, because I plan to eventually be able to quit my job that I work at now, and be financially free and work with the team that I build throughout the time. I created 5 teammates in 1 month. I don't see why I can't do that another month, and another month, and another month. And the whole while I'm creating teammates, mind you, the people who are part of my team, they create teammates. So it's a whole rule of 3 is what I've heard a lot online and everything. Is basically you go with multiplication. You create a teammate. That teammate creates three teammates. Those 3 teammates create 3 teammates. Those 3 teammates create 3 teammates, and so forth. It keeps expanding your business. and I love that about this business. So I'm helping people with their life insurance and their investment profile, something that's highly neglected by a lot of people. And I'm also creating a business that I'm going to be able to be set for a financial future that I could only dream of. And I want to be a millionaire by the time I'm in my 40s, so I'm on track for that for sure. So positive all across the board right now. Everything is great, and I'm looking forward to the next update that I can give you guys to see, just to see how my progress is. Because I plan to, probably after a month has gone by, now that I got my life insurance exam knocked out, I'll start working on getting my securities license and those licenses, so that way I can provide financial investments for people instead of having to have my upline handle that. Anyways, I hope y'all have a fantastic day. I'm off to college right now. I got college, I got work, and I'm still able to do this stuff on the side and still able to do the life insurance and investing thing. So anybody who wants to get into this business and says, I'm too busy for it, is just making excuses. You got to be honest with yourself. If you want to pursue something, if you have a dream, if you have a goal, you're not going to let anything stop you. If you knew somebody was going to give you $10,000 if you did something, would you do it if you knew you were going to get that $10,000? Absolutely you would. Without knowing you're going to get that $10,000, though, it's not so appealing. But you got to take risks in order to get those rewards. So I'm all about that. Anyways, I'll stop rambling, and I hope you all have a fantastic rest of the week. Until next time, y'all stay classy. Back to you in the studio.